Yeah, it's pretty cold. They are, I mean, all three of them are coming now.
Machine, isn't it?
Yeah. Is there another boat over there?
Yeah.
To the,
I was looking, because there are two there.
is that a fishing boat or is
There's
it?
guys on the right, which I presume is Gar.
Yeah.
Is that a fishing boat on the left?
Could be, because there's two guys very, very close together, so probably a fishing boat. Yeah. So
well,
we
this way, this is turning into a bit of an expedition. Stop for a bit of tea.
Yep.
There's the minister's.
Zach, when did you start?
9 years ago.
9 years ago. How many minutes?
Well, alone this year already about 50.
And in total, what do you reckon? 500?
Yeah, right about there. Had good number. Probably get some this year. Quite nice.
So Jerry been together with your crazy 3 years. I'm starting to shiver again, just at the thought of it. Oh, they take you
out of the water. We're
man.
fine. That's all that matters.
Man, you're a star of mine. Thank you so much. And you are so bloody calm and polite. It's unbelievable.
That's what you
This
got in
guy's
those situations.
This guy's our hero. He really is. Totally calm.
Nice.
See if you can hold on somewhere.
Sorry? Use everything. How's it, guys?
Hey guys.
You were cold.
Sure, but I'm
We got the heater pumping for you.
okay, thanks.
Perfect. You don't get warm, mate.
Sure.
Because I'm more concerned about you.
Yeah, no, thanks, Zach.
I've stayed from
Are you Harry? Is that just your helmet?
Harri.
Harri.
It's me, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Only a
Thank
pleasure,
you
man.
very, very
Are you
much.
good?
I'm good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So when's your next round?
Not
Not today.
I think maybe next year.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Do you know about safe tracks?
Yes.
Why aren't you guys using safe tracks?
We
did.
both are. And
Oh,
so
is
The
that
problem is I could when I pressed emergency it made an automatic call instead of actually.
We got your call on safe tracks,
Yeah.
but it didn't locate you because of the signal.
Yeah, that's what I was picking up because then I tried checking if I could call Vinny or anything and it said
It was a
blocked our signal.
9-year-old boy at Smits that was on the phone with
really?
us telling us to go left, go right.
Sure,
He
sure.
could see you.
Yeah, we went straight to you. Well, we went to Smits, got your line and we went right.
Sure.
Sometimes you could go this way.
Thank you so
Sharon,
much.
thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you, really appreciate it.
Always great to find people, I'll tell you.
It's already sorted. So you
Thank you very much. All right, let's go. I'm just going to say thanks to Matthew. Matthew, thanks so much. Much appreciated.
Life jacket there.
Okay.
Matthew, you a little bit slack there, my boy. Richard.
Freaking hell, man. Yes, like that. Hey.
Thank you, Jesus.
Yeah. Sure. This. Yeah. Zach. Absolutely, yeah, hero. Yes.
Just keep the heat in.
Oh, it's still filming.
Still filming, but still filming you there behind as well.
So we took a guy with us today, the guy who was with me, who was basically coaching us. If it hadn't been for him, it would have been tickets for me. He's 98 my heart rate.
No, that's your saturation.
Oh.
That's very good. Your heart rate is 80. So yeah, so far so
My
good.
resting heart rate is low. So
Yeah, well, considering you've just been in a very stressful situation, I'm surprised it's only at 8.
Next of kin.
my wife, Lorna, L-O-R-N-A.
How are you doing there? You're warming up?
I'm good, thanks. The guys have treated me like royalty here.
Oh, good. Okay, fantastic.
We're after the bosses here. So
Did he
we have to
share
be-
his brandy with you though?
No, I've been trying, but
That's the one in the locked